Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I've got a Fridge 48 rolling out of the shop today. Now, this is going on my man Gary, actually staying here in Knoxville. So I love to see a TMG Pit staying in Knoxville with us. Now, this is our Fridge 48 on a trailer package. Let's check her out here. Now, this is our standard trailer package, and several things pretty special about this. It is an independent suspension on this thing, so rides really smooth, and it also lets us build this trailer really narrow. So it's under 5 feet wide. Still have a lot of storage room in here, but just not a super huge bulky trailer. Now Gary did add a couple cup holders up here, holding my ice cold C4 here. Let's open up the smoker here. This is really what we all want to see, our Fridge 48. This has just become our #1 seller here at TMG, and for good reason. Now, like all of our fridge smokers, you do have 3 sliding trays in here. Now, this is 48 inches wide, 24 inches deep. It is a reverse flow smoker, so we've got 2 removable reverse flow plates in here. You can pull them up out of there, makes cleaning up the smoker easy. But what they do is direct the smoke all the way across the bottom and then back out across the smoke chamber. Makes for real even temperatures inside there. He did get our TMG Pits Tell True thermometers there as well, made in the USA. Come around with the Firebox here. Now, obviously everything here is 1/4-inch plate, guys. Every smoker we build is a minimum 1/4-inch plate, so super heavy duty. Now, on our standard Firebox here, you get a built-in griddle top. It also has a grease drain back here in the back, drains the grease all the way down to the ground. Let's open up the Firebox here. Now, we've got something special in here. So he's got his fire management cradle, and in there, he's got our TMG Pits. I'll knock that out. TMG Pits charcoal chimney, the TMG torch. Check that out on our website, guys. Lifetime warranty on this bad boy. Throw that back in there. Do have your ash clean out on the bottom there. Close that sucker up. Come around to the back side of the trailer here. You can see some of our storage we got. So it's got wire mesh underneath the whole trailer. So it is a small trailer, but you actually have a lot of storage room, and we finished it off with a spare tire. Hey, y'all know the deal. You don't want to be on the side of the road without a spare tire. So guys, add that spare tire on your trailer build. But hey, this is going to Gary. He's about to haul ass back home, fire it up right now. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.